God bless your brother here and your Prophet Junior Titus. I have a word of the prophetic regarding this guy called Shibesheti Mabena. This is one thing that the Lord has revealed to me. Shibesheti, we are praying for you as a whole. We are praying for you. But I want to tell you, people of South Africa, why it's been very tough. Why the case of this man is very tough. Because when I was praying in a vision, the Lord showed me a woman. The Lord showed me a woman. And this lady, her name is Madesh. There is a lady called Madesh. It's something that has been trending that everyone knows. And the lady is the reason why this guy cannot come out of prison. Because in the realms of the spirit, when I saw the family of that woman, they are very much busy. And remember, Madesh once said that she is pregnant, and she was not pregnant. Shebeshete never impregnated that lady. It was a lie from pity of hell. It was a lie from pity of hell. He never impregnated that lady. So now, this is why he slept with the lady, but he never impregnated her. Now, those people, they took the sperm cells of that guy. They kept them for a while to make sure that whatever that they are trying to plan for him to happen, it comes to pass. That is why the guy is not easy for him to come out of prison. Every time when they go, he has to apply for a bail, there is a delay. Every time when they go, he has to apply for a bail, there is a delay. They killed a chicken. So that he does not see the glory of the Lord. Because another thing God said we need to pray for Kulu also. Because I saw her in the hospital. She was giving birth in a vision. When she was giving birth, I saw C-section. The child, I saw an operation. And I saw a child that is going to be born, and the child will have a problem with Double syndrome. Why? Because even including in a family Abukulu, there is a lot that is happening in that family. Because I saw a war rising in the realms of the spirit. I saw a war rising in extent whereby people were even fighting one another. People were end up in fighting one another. I don't know, but the Lord said we need to pray for these people and release grace upon them. Shibishiti, let us pray for you. Your problem is coming from Madesh's family. Those people are the ones that are trying to block him to come out of prison. Because I even saw, even the next coming court case, they will just postpone. They will just postpone, but nothing is going to work. But the Lord said, you will not die and learn to prosper. We are praying for you that may God preserve you. May God preserve you. And we declare and we decree that you shall come out. Listen to me, family of worship. Go and look for help for your son. Go and look for help as soon as possible. Because there is a lot that is happening behind the life of that man. We are praying for you that may the good God Lord that we serve open doors for you. Madesh, you shall reap what you sow.
Hi there you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you do share this video. So you guys, Shebeshete did appear in court yesterday, you guys, of course TikTok prophets are at it again, especially after it was said that he was denied the bail, and of course he is scheduled to appear back in court next year, January the 19th, 2025. Now this prophet does this video, you guys, regarding why Shebeshete is in prison, why he will stay there, why he will be denied bail consistently. And according to this prophet, he says it's because of witchcraft, believe it or not. Now Shebeshete was in a relationship with cheating on his baby mama with Madesh, and this prophet says that Madesh is definitely the one who's responsible for Shebeshete staying in jail, and according to him they have bewitched Shebeshete, and he details a very chilling ritual where he says that Madesh took Shebeshete's semen, and he took this semen and then gave it to a certain sangoma where they performed this ritual whereby a black chicken's blood was taken and mixed together with a shebeshit, and by doing this ritual, of course, they are making sure that shebeshit's life stays miserable and stagnant. He says that of course Madesh's family is very much involved in this spell thing, you guys. He says the reason why was because Madesh was pregnant and had lost Shebashid's baby, and they basically just wanted to destroy him. He says that his family definitely needs to stand up and do something to break this very evil and deadly spell, because he sees like a lot of darkness, and he also says that Kolo, who is Shebashid's baby mama, should watch out, as there is still a lot more dark forces to come into her life. What do you guys think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, and of course do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Guys, what do you think about this whole Shebashid being denied bail saga? Do you think it is spiritual? Engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like and of course do share this video definitely, and surely be seeing you in the next one. Bye.